In front of us, we have question number 2 of exercise 3.3. Solve the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and find the value of m for which the value of y is equal to mx plus 3. So first we will find the value of y with the help of substitution method, x and y, and then we will put the value of y and x in this equation and we will get the value of m. So solution, the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 11. This is the first equation. So 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is our second equation. Now from first we get 3y equals to 11 minus 2x. Y is equal to 11 minus 2x by 3. So this is our third equation. Now put the value of y, this value in second equation. Value of y in second equation. इस equation में put करनी है, okay? Second equation is 2x minus 4y. Y is 11 minus 2x divided by 3 equals to minus 24. Now we will take the LCM. This is 3, 6x minus 44 plus 4 to the 8x is equal to minus 24. So 6x plus 8x is 14x minus 44. 3 will go this side. Now 24 multiplied 3 is 72. That is minus 72. 14x minus 72 plus 44. X is equal to, this will be minus 28 divided by 14. 14 minus 14, 14 to get 28, so x becomes minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. Now put this value of x in third equation. This value in third equation. Put value of x in third equation. What is value of x? X is minus 2. And what is our third equation? This is our third equation. Y is equal to 11 minus 2x divided by 3. And y is equal to 11 minus 2 into minus 2 divided by 3. 11 plus 4 divided by 3. 15 upon 3. This is 5. The value of y is 5. Now put this value of x and y. This is y value and this is x value in this equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Put value of x and y, and y is equal to mx plus 3. Y is 5, x is minus 2 plus 3. 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2m. This is 2 is equal to minus 2m. So m is equal to minus 1. That we have to find. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.